autumn, we will be launching our first ever graduate programme. This 2-year programme will be market leading, and so we are looking for a diverse and dynamic group of people to join our team as the class of 2021. Our scheme will provide a blended approach of vocational work coupled with an educational leadership and development programme provided by our industry-leading delivery partner and partnership. I wanted to give you a really good insight into what it's like to work for Transport for Wales. So what better than to ask some of our current employees?
I've had the amazing opportunity to help shape the organisation from a people perspective. I've had some amazing opportunities to learn new things. I'm being given the opportunity to actually go on a writing course, which is something that I never thought I'd actually do. And I'm really excited for what comes next. We're such a growing organisation. I've been working with the organisation since 2018, but been working with the company since 2020 on a permanent basis. It was 35 people when I started working with Transport for Wales. We're now just over 300, so that just shows you how much we've grown. And I really cannot wait to see what comes next, which I hope is just lots of opportunity and meeting lots of cool people.
We're also very passionate about the mental well-being of our colleagues. So we've got a lot of support available. We've got our employee assistance program with Health Assured. We've got our staff wellbeing action group called SWAG. We've also got Fusion as our occupational health service provider. Not only that, we've got mental health first aiders, trained mental health first aiders and mental health champions across every level of the business. All these support mechanisms have seen us achieve the Silver Award with Mind.
Before starting here, I was extremely nervous. This was because it was a new field that I've never worked in before, but everyone was so friendly and helpful that they helped me settle in straight away. The support I've received from my colleagues and my line manager has been insane. They've helped me with my college work, they've also helped me understand TFW and the role that I was going into. I've learned so many new skills here. For example, I've learned how to be a project manager, but I've also learned about contracts, programs, and I've got so much more to learn in this role. In the next 2 years, I'm excited to develop my skills, and I'm also excited to get qualified as a project manager.
I am a mum of 2 small boys and also a full-time HR professional. Yet I've been allowed to work flexibly and have a real work-life balance. I've been lucky enough to work on some really exciting projects in the last year, and I've also gained a promotion in that time. Having parental or care responsibilities is a real life challenge. Transport for Wales embraces everyone's individual needs and promotes a fantastic flexible working culture. This has allowed me to thrive both as a professional and a parent.
We've done some real firsts in the rail industry, so as you'll know, there's lots of regulatory change going on at the moment within the rail industry, but we've done something different as well, and that's to help us deliver on our Metro programme, the transformation of the core valley lines in South Wales. I think one of the things I enjoy most about working for Transport for Wales is the people side. I think we've done really, really well to maintain and keep that our identity and our culture, despite the fact that we've grown so dramatically over the last 18 months. We've got a real dynamic team, a really good flexible working environment. We're really inclusive, and I think we're quite innovative as well, and that's reflected in some of the achievements and the key achievements we've had over the last year or so. I guess working in such an environment also allows us to get involved in projects and initiatives outside of our normal day jobs. For me, that's meant lots of exposure and lots of opportunities to get involved in some quite strategic initiatives, and it's been really, really good for my own personal development.
I hope you've enjoyed hearing from some of my colleagues, and it's given you a bit of an insight into what it's like to work for this fantastic organisation. If you're interested in joining us on our journey, then do look out for the launch of our graduate scheme later this autumn. And in the meantime, whatever journey you decide to take, I wish you every success for your future.